the quarter gone by. And apart from that, you also have other tech stocks also that are actually seeing a sharp cut in today's trading session. Tata Motors, what a move coming in on that particular counter. Remember on Friday they came out with their Q2 sales numbers as well. They've not guided for Q3, but you have brokerages that are still positive on Tata Motors. From its recent lows, Tata Motors has gone up about over 50%. So a great wealth creator coming in on that, great wealth creator that is Tata Motors for you. Reliance Industries is in focus on that weekend buy that has been having two acquisitions. So on back of that, Reliance Industries in focus. Sterling and Wilson's, Reliance's solar unit will be buying 40% stake in the company, and also they will go ahead with an open offer for additional stake in the company. So you have Sterling and Wilson that is in focus. Solar Industries in focus on back of an order win. Coal India as well as is in focus in today's trading session. You have Aditya Birla Sun Life, AMC, new listing, quite a muted performance coming in on Aditya Birla Sun Life. So these are the counters that are in focus and a part of our BNSN lens. BNSN stock cloud of the day today, Alex.
You know, you were going to talk about BNSN lens, I'm sure, because that's why you mentioned it right now. And TCS is the counter that we decided on, Cheryl, and it is the obvious choice. Let's get in our experts today. We've got Kunal Bothra as well as AK Prabhakar joining in. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking the time, and good morning to you. I want to start with you, Mr. Prabhakar, on TCS earnings. Now, a lot has already been said about the counter, and it has run up quite substantially. Your quick thoughts on the earnings. Broadly, a lot of people said they were in line with expectations, but what were your expectations, and are you happy with what they've spoken about, the commentary from the management?
You know, there is a slight disappointment. You know, CC terms, you know, the growth was 2.9% quarter on quarter basis. Our estimate was 3.5%, and you know, Europe didn't do as well as other geographies. So that is where the disappointment has come. But you know, when you look at the growth, you know, the growth prospects are going to be very good, and they are going to hire from 35,000 freshers to 78,000 freshers, and their book to bill ratio is 1.2x. I think, you know, these are something which is very positive, and you know, the outlook is very positive. So you know, it is perfectly priced. That is why this negative reaction. So I think, you know, that has made every IT stock react. But somebody who is looking for long term, I think they should not worry about. They should look at this correction as an opportunity to buy for a very long term basis.
Right, that's Mr. Prabhakar's take coming in on TCS. Good morning to you, Mr. Prabhakar. Good morning, Kunal. What's your take on TCS? Do you think this dip in the stock is a buying opportunity for investors?
Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, everyone. I think TCS is likely to consolidate over here. What the stock has shown in terms of price action, a huge, you know, I would say a rally shaping up pre-results for TCS, where the stock jumped up more than 200 odd points in a matter of, I think, 7-8 trading sessions, and then a correction which has come by into TCS. And largely, we've seen that whenever the stock has gone into you know, such kind of price actions, it's gone into a bit of a box kind of a trading. So by that I mean that it's more to do with more range bound kind of trading for TCS. Sometimes the range extends for you know, period of three to 4 months, and at times, like in you know, the very recent past, in the month of June, July, the stock went to 1.5 or 2 months of sideways range for itself. So I believe TCS could probably be a good buy from a short-term basis, but I think possibility that the stock may remain in a range at least over the next 1 to 2 months is pretty much high. A better alternative for someone who's looking at short-term trading could probably be HCL Tech. I still believe that the stock has a lot of you know, mojo left in terms of short-term trading opportunities on the upside. I think that would be a much better bet if someone is a short-term oriented trader.
All right. On that note, gentlemen, do stay with us. We're slipping into a short break, but on the other side, we'll start taking all the viewer queries that have already started piling in. Do stay tuned.